Hey everybody, we're gonna do our Yu-Gi-Oh card unboxing. So I got the Blazing Vortex Yu-Gi-Oh Konami unboxing. So let's break into this real quick. Okay, so card number one. I got Wind Bitch Blizzard Bell. That's what it looks like. I got War Rock Ordeal. I don't know what this is. Some guy jumping, whatever. Whatever these cards are. Steel Star yeah, everybody, open your cards. Okay. That's a really cool card. Everybody, what kind of card?
Yeah, Pretty Lady.
Yu-Gi-Oh.
Pretty Lady card. Wow.
Lady card. I got linear
Yu-Gi-Oh.
cannon.
Yu-Gi-Oh.
That's a good card.
War card.
Potated.
Wow, that's a rare card. It looks like.
Ooh, this is a good one.
It's a rare card.
Ojama Pink. Whoa.
Ojama Pink.
I got a super cool.
That must be worth at least 25.
Invoked Cocytus.
That's amazing.
Lord. Thunder. Radiant Radiant.
Wow, that's like really. Oh, that's really cool.
Performance hat dicker.
That's like from the funny freaking video. Yeah.
Pop Smoke.
It's pretty cool, honestly. I mean, you'll come by those.
G-Eazy, bro.
G-Eazy, that's like my favorite rapper.
Laser.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Michael. So it looks like everything. Green. It's green card. It's pretty awesome. I mean,
you wanna play Go Fish?
Yeah.
How do you play? Let's pick up the trash.
What?
We can't be disrespectful.
Okay, guys. So we opened our cards.
A door is ajar.
We did the funny
A door is ajar.
unboxing video. So yeah, that's looks like we got some good. Looks like we got some good cards.
So these were pretty coin on the Etsy.
Coin.
On the pretty Etsy. Yeah.
Disappointed.
Hello.